Now, I will demonstrate to you the way we can onboard and innovate on the way to onboarding a customer, then how to create easily a new user. And I will finish with a third demo to show you that we promote innovation in the HCS environment using a bot. Let's start with the customer onboarding on a shared architecture environment. Here, in this demo, we've got 3 clusters available for HCS Shared Architecture, and I will select the first one to onboard my new customer. First, I will select what we call scenario that will allow me to very easily and quickly start the onboarding. We've got a first step that will allow me to perform the data collection. Let's go in the first step. I just have to answer very few information to do the onboarding. The name of my customer, let's onboard Acme. And then, do I want or not to create custom administrator to allow my customer to do self-service? And then, do I want also to create site? So let's say that Acme will have a site in Boston. Okay, I will select North America. And I will just have to answer very few questions regarding the site dial plan. So the extension length, the emergency callback number, let's say 617911 for example. Do I want to use area code in local dialing, and then some information regarding area codes in Boston, it's 617. And is there any area code number length, let's say 7 for example. That's the way to do the data collection. No more Excel file to onboard a new customer. And of course, you can let your customer to do it by themselves. When it's done, we just have to click on Next. And now, Kurmi will start to save the data, perform the customer insight provisioning. That means configure all your HCS shared architecture environment, as configure the DNS, configure the directory, configure the expressway, etc., etc., and also prepare all the technical things that will allow to do contact segregation. And now, in call control provisioning, we will deploy the new dial plan for that new customer on the cluster. That means create all the things as partitions, CSS, translation pattern, all the technical things that we need to enable customers onboarding. And now our all provisioning is done. We are just performing some final verification. Now, we have onboarded our customer with Boston site. We are ready to create a user, so let's move to the user creation experience.